also accounts, at least in part, for the human tendency to demonize people who aren't like us, because it turns out that we use the same circuit that we would use to handle predatory reptiles, let's say. We use that circuit to first process people who are strange to us. And it makes sense, because people who are strange to us, who come from different cultures and who represent different ideals, are unbelievably dangerous, even though they might also be unbelievably beneficial. You know, the poor Native Americans, they came out and they shook hands with the Europeans, and then 95% of them died in the next 150 years. Right? They all died of plagues. They died of smallpox. They died of measles. Measles just wiped them out. By the time the Pilgrims came to North America, which is, you know, fairly early in North American European history, 95% of the Indians were already dead. They were welcoming the Europeans because they didn't have any people to get their crops off. So meeting someone who's strange is no trivial thing, and even if they don't poison you with some horrible illness, they'll come along with some cockamamie idea, like Marxism, and you'll be Chinese, and then it'll be the 20th century, and 100 million of you will die. It's very useful to understand the deep mythological structures that we live inside, and their relationship to our brain and our body. It really gives you insight into how people function. It's helpful.